Yo, Philly 254 living life. Back at it. Okay, this is going to be a real quick video, so no worries. Public announcement, you got your MetaQuest 3, and now your MetaQuest 3 controllers, the batteries are out. Yes, indeed, it does have batteries. They are not rechargeable. So how do you change the batteries? Real simple. We'll just do our left controller here. You see where that little, your little menu button is? So you just kind of turn it over, and kind of over there where that menu button is, there's a little catch, right? You press that little button. Press a little catch, should I say, and you'll see this little back compartment pop off. Pull it on off. There you go. There goes your battery. One single battery. It is a AA, by the way. To get the battery out, it's real simple. You have a fingernail, or if you got something else, kind of get it in there, kind of get it out, because it is difficult. It'll fight you a little bit. There you go. It's a little snug. AA battery from the dollar store. Check that out. Put it back in there, and then just to replace it, just put the catch right back on there. It's kind of hard under the camera because I can't see it. There you go. Real simple. I'll do it on the right one as well. Same concept. You got your little catch. Press the little button in. Pull it off. Now I'm not gonna take the battery out. I think you got that part. It was kind of hard getting the other one out. The same thing to put it back. Push it up. And there you go. And you're back in gaming or exploring the world or flying in space or whatever it is you want to do. Real simple. I just want to make sure I put it out there because I tripped for a little bit. I couldn't find it. I ain't gonna lie. I was so happy to get the MetaQuest. I didn't even read the instructions or anything. So whatever. If you like more MetaQuest 3, ROG Ally, Steam Deck news, walkthroughs, lives, gameplay, like and subscribe. Cruise through the playlist. And I'm out.